Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gazi Tafari from XTKJA. Now I will give you all of you a tutorial on how to create an IP address in MikroTik, creating identity in MikroTik router, and also backup, reset, and also importing the configuration. Okay, so the first I wanted to give the router OS or the MikroTik router an IP. So on how to give the IP is you go to apa? You go to IP. After that, go to IP addresses here. As you can see in the addresses list, there is no address. There is no IP. So we're gonna press new, and then we can give an IP address. Example, I want to give 192, 198, and 1.1 like this, and also slash 20. After that, you can press OK. So now our router have an IP. So now the router is not 0.0.0.0 anymore, but it's now the IP that we gave into the IP address list. Okay, now we are going to give the router an identity or a name. So how to give the identity or a name is you go to system, and then you're gonna go to apa? To give an identity, this identity, system identity, and you can give the name. Example, IDN mantap. Example like this. So now that your router have a name with the name of IDN mantap. Still 1 minute. Okay, now the next that we are going to do is we are going to back up the file. So when the router is resetted, we can back up the file and import the file. So we're not going to have configure one by one. Okay, so how to back up the configuration that we just made is we are going to go to press new terminal. Okay, as you can see, the name of my router in here is IDN Mantap, like this, and not router OS because the default is router OS, the name. And on how to backup the file is you gonna type export space file and give sama dengan like this, ya kan? And then give the name of the file. Example, konfigurasi MikroTik, example like this. And you're gonna press enter. Kok orang export file terus oh nggak boleh we don't cannot use space, so I use strip like this. And now it's going to be loading. So what we are doing is we save our configuration as a file. So when we gonna use the same configuration, we just gonna upload it into the router. Okay, if already like this, it's mean that the save has been completed. To make sure that the save has been completed, you can go to the file, and you can see right here there is the name new konfigurasi mikrotik.rsc. So this is the configuration that we just saved. And the next is I wanted to reset the router. So how to reset the router? First, oh no. First we download first. So our configuration that we just saved have to be downloaded so we can access it from our computer. So you just press the download button right here, and you can save it anywhere in your PC. Okay, just like that. Now after that, so the configuration is going to be in our file explorer here in as you save. This is the configuration that I save. So now you can access the configuration using this file. Now I want to reset the router. So all the configuration is resetted into its facility settings. So how to reset the router is go to set system and you can press reset configuration. And now you can check the box, no default configuration, and do not no, this. And now you can press reset configuration and reboot the router. Okay. So waiting for the loading. So it's still resetting. We're gonna wait. Nah, if already like this, it means that your router has been resetted. Now, if there is an error like this, it's no problem. You can just close, and you will be back into the Winbox main menu. And now you're just going to wait until your router name pops out. Okay, waiting. Wait so long, bro. This is the router. Now let's press again and login again. Aman. Okay, we are back and now it was resetted. So as you can see, our IP. Let's check our IP addresses. There is no IP addresses, and let's check the name also. The identity. There is also no identity. Before the name is Mikrotik configurasi Mikrotik, but now the identity is back to router OS because I resetted the router. Now I will backup all or import the file that I saved before, so the configuration is going to be back. How to import it? You go to terminal and then you can type import file sama dengan Mikrotik apa tadi konfigurasi strip Mikrotik, okay. Like this. Then you just gonna press enter. Oh lama. Oh this bro, how bro? Upload first bro. Upload in the file first, so we can access it in the router. Then you can do it. Because the first time we do it is not reading the file with the name, because there is no name configurasi Mikrotik. And don't forget to add the last is RSC because that is the format. Okay, and then you can enter and wait and holas bro. The router name is Iden Mantap, and also we have the IP address again. Nah, alhamdulillah. Done right? Just like that? Done eh? Okay, so that is how to reset, to save, export, and import configuration in Mikrotik. And I hope this can be useful tutorial for all of you guys. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.